Well, hello everybody. It's November and that means it's almost Thanksgiving season. For this video, I'm doing another tot recipe. And it's actually part of a collaboration called Thanksgiving Dishes. I'm making tater tot stuffing. Let's see it. In a pan, I'm going to start cooking up some Italian sausage. Add a chopped onion, 2 stalks of chopped celery, and a tablespoon of minced garlic. Cook that for about 8 minutes. I'm going to add some sage and a little rosemary. Grab a bowl. Add a can of chicken broth, 2 eggs, a half a cup of mashed potato flakes. Stir to combine. Add that sausage and 2 pounds of frozen tater tots. A little parsley flakes and stir to combine. Pour that into a prepared baking dish. I'm going to bake it at 350 for about 45 minutes until heated through and crispy on top. Tater tot stuffing, it looks different. Try something new, why not? I love Italian sausage to begin with. So it works great with these tots. It certainly doesn't have that actual Thanksgiving stuffing feel, but if you're wanting a fun alternative, give it a try. To see more exciting Thanksgiving dishes, check out the playlist in my description. Thanksgiving is a time to be thankful, and I want to give a big thank you to the hosts of this collaboration, Christy's Farmhouse, and I'm merely Melissa. Okay, well, have a great day. What is something that's usually insulting, but it's okay on Thanksgiving? A family member giving you the bird.